reproductive health care. It provides non-emergency medical, dental, and behavioral health care to our uninsured and underinsured students and their dependents. So if you think about that in terms of supporting the success of our students, it's really essential. So it's very exciting. This partnership is very exciting, and we're so happy to have all of you here today to help celebrate in this partnership. I would also like to say that we are thrilled to be able to partner with our community now and in the future as well. We are here to serve the community, our students, and the needs of our community. I just came out of a meeting with some of our healthcare partners. We want to continue partnering with you, and if there are ways that you feel that in the areas that you're involved in that we can better serve the community, build programs, build partnerships, please reach out to us. We'll be reaching out to you as well, but we're here to serve all of you. So with that said, I'm going to turn it over now to the CEO of Community Medical Centers, Christine Noguera.
Well, good afternoon and welcome. I want to thank you all for coming today. Many of you are representing partners, collaborative partners, and that's what makes CMC who we are. We truly cannot provide the scope of services that we provide without the collaboration and the partners in the community that we have. And our health center that we're going to be cutting the ribbon on from today is such a perfect example of what collaboration brings to a community, and in this case to a campus. This began as a conversation between CMC and the nursing department, talking about just bringing nursing, beginning to create better career paths into nursing. And then one day in that same conversation, we talked about how do we get better access to care to all the students on this campus. And then the next moment, I realized I was in a conversation with the past Dr. Porgiangiani, and we sat down over a cup of coffee and made some plans, and here we are today. So let's celebrate what collaboration can do. And I want to thank each and every one of you for your piece in making this possible. It's an exciting event. And actually, across California, this is kind of a new movement of bringing FQHCs, which is what Community Medical Center is. We're a federally qualified health center, and community colleges together in creating access to health care. And this health center was out in the forefront. We were way ahead of the other efforts that are just being kicked off. So let's celebrate also our ability to be innovative as we're collaborating. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Alex Breitler, I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications here at Delta College. It's nice to see such a large group of folks here today. I just wanted to take a moment and greet our dignitaries, elected officials, and representatives who took the time to be with us today. We have U.S. Representative Jerry McNerney here with us. Thank you, Congressman, for coming. We want to do the certificates.
Yes.
Somebody have the certificates to...
He does.
Oh, you? I guess we already have the certificates. Okay. County Supervisor Kathy Miller is here. Supervisor Villapoutois, able to make it? Are you here with us? Okay, that's all right. Councilmember Paul Canepa. Stockton City Council. We have our own Delta College trustee, Dr. Elizabeth Blanchard is here. Welcome. And I believe we have a representative from Susan Eggman's office as well. Thank you, Jose. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome, thanks for coming. Did I miss anyone? Anyone else here? Okay. All right, fantastic. So I believe we're going to proceed with the ribbon cutting. I will say very quickly before we do that when it comes down to doing the tours, and I hope you all will stick around and take a tour. Obviously we have a lot of folks here, so we're going to have to divide that up into smaller groups. So we'll proceed with a group. I'm not sure how large we're going to do in terms of the groups, but just if you don't get in the first group, stick around. We'll get you in the second group or the third group and make sure everyone has a chance to take a look at this beautiful facility. All right? Thank you everybody for coming. So the ribbon cutting. All right, yeah, come on up. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you for having us. I'm Tim Quinn, the CEO of the Greater Stockton Chamber of Commerce. I'm really excited to be here on this fantastic occasion here. This service for the students and the families of our community is definitely needed, and we're very excited to be here to help celebrate today. Before we get to the ribbon cutting, though, we've got a couple presentations. So we'll start off with Congressman McNerney. You want to come up and do a little, say a couple words?
Good afternoon, everyone. Hey, what a pleasure to be here today. This is something that is badly needed. I know the community medical centers have worked very hard over the years. I've been out there visiting them and checking out the facilities. Delta College has a great nursing program, and to put these two things together is great. Students need health care. This campus has been without health care for way too long, and to see this come together today is just wonderful. So, in order to celebrate that, I have two certificates. One is for the community medical centers in recognition of ribbon cutting ceremony for the Delta College Health Centers. I applaud your commitment to the health and well-being of our community. Signed, Jerry McNerney. Thank you. And, of course, we can't forget Delta College. This comes together with federal dollars, with state dollars, with county dollars, and with city dollars. I mean, all levels of government come together to make this happen. So I'm just the first, but I'm certainly not the most important and not the last. San Joaquin Delta College, same verbiage. Congratulations.
Get trapped up in the cord. Thank you, Congressman McNerney. Appreciate it. All right, up next we have Supervisor Kathy Miller from San Joaquin County. Kathy, come on up.
Thanks, Tim. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. Both community medical centers and Delta College have been incredible partners with the county of San Joaquin. Everything from apprenticeship programs to opening clinics. Christine's been a really valuable member of the Task Force on Homelessness since its inception, helping to address specific needs, healthcare needs in our community. This clinic is really critically important. There's a very large number of Delta students who are homeless, and we've been talking about that for a long time, trying to address those needs. But also the greater student body here. Healthcare is something that everyone needs, and it should be accessible to all. And this clinic goes a long way to making that happen for a lot of Delta students. So we're really pleased to partner with both Delta and CMC on this. The board has, I have a certificate of recognition presented to Delta College Health Center, community medical centers, in recognition of your ribbon cutting and grand opening. Your services will help our community and will provide great benefits for many years to come. Thank you for your investment in the Stockton community. Congratulations and best wishes. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Kathy. Up next, we will have Joel Reyna representing Senator Susan Talamantes Eggman. Joel, come on up.
Thank you, Steve, and good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Happy to be here on behalf of your state senator, Susan Talamantes Eggman. As a social worker, as an educator, she knows the importance of not only having a very healthy student body to be successful in their academic endeavors, but knowing the importance that partnerships and collaborations, just like the ones that are happening today here, is very crucial just to the student body, to the college, and of course to the community in general. So she asked me to bring by two certificates of recognition from the California State Legislature. One is to the community medical centers, and the other one is, of course, to San Joaquin Delta College. And it says, the State of California Senate's Certificate of Recognition, Community Medical Centers, San Joaquin Delta College, on behalf or in recognition of the Delta College Healthcare, in recognition of your championing of partnerships to strengthen the health of communities, your dedication to the ongoing support of students, and on the occasion of your ribbon cutting for the Delta College Health Fair. And to sign your Senator Susan Talamantes Egman. Congratulations.
All right, thank you, Joel. All right, and last but not least, we've got City Council Member Paul Canepa from the City of Stockton. Come on out, Paul.
Thank you. It's a very, very proud day to be a Stocktonian today. Obviously, community medical centers and the partnerships has stepped up. If you guys didn't know, we opened the respite center on their behalf over across from Channel Medical. We're doing an outreach pilot program with them also in the city to do, instead of sending police, so it's a pilot program to send mental health workers out. It's another partnership with them, and then this is another one. So congratulations from the city of Stockton as well as me. I'm an AA degree in 1986 from Delta College, so it's fair to say. No Mustangs, right? So born and raised here, and this is a very proud moment for me, and obviously our family business is down the street, so this has so much meaning for those that are underserved, and this is a huge benefit not only to the students but for us. I mean, it's getting more services to more people, and Supervisor Miller said, the homeless kids and the services that they will get, and not just the wraparound services. So I'm proud to be here, and I'm proud to represent the mayor and the city. It says, congratulations on your ribbon cutting, and with thanks for your investment, service, and support, and promoting health and well-being for the students of San Joaquin Delta College. Best wishes for your continued growth and success. So from me and from the rest of the council, today is a huge day and serving people in our community. And thank you so much for the partnerships, and thank you for your leadership. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, Paul. Thank you, everybody, for your words here. So now let's make it official, I guess, and we'll cut the ribbon. We're gonna move the canopy out of the way here, and then we'll have a trustee Blanchard, Lisa, and Christine cut the ribbon. But any other community medical centers and Delta College staff that want to come and kind of stand behind them, you're welcome here. So yeah, if you want to lift that up, and we'll just kind of move this back.
That works? Okay, we need the tall people to stand along the fence, please. Tallest people along the fence. Back here. I know my spot. Anyone who's going to be in it? Yeah. Yes, please. Give one into Splash.
Oh.
Do you want all?
One into Splash.
We need a minute. Yes, Call people along the fence, and they need to squish in that way. Splash. Splash.
How far do you want me to go?
That way. Everyone needs to be behind Splash that way.
Excuse me. Yeah, I don't want to. Excuse me. I'm okay. Thank you. So I know how I feel.
Ready?
Everybody look up. We'll take a couple pictures before we cut. Everybody look up and smile. Everybody look up and smile. Get some...
Ready? Wait, don't do it yet. We need a picture. look here. Everyone got the pictures? Okay, cut. No, gotta get it.
Just sharpen those scissors.
Gotta get on the edge of the ribbon.
Somebody be mine, you know, doing the real cutting.
April, yes, would you please take us on a tour of the health center? Once we get inside, I'll ask you some questions.
Okay. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna go inside.
Okay.
So, welcome to the waiting area in the Delta College Health Center.
Great. First of all, can you tell us the address?
So, we are located at 5151 Pacific Avenue in Stockton, California. We're located in the Locke building on the first floor.
Wonderful. And can you tell us the best way to contact you?
It is 209 636 5000.
Perfect. And the website?
The website is communitymedicalcenters.org.
Perfect. Can I have a mask, please?
Yes.
Everyone must wear a mask coming in, correct?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, so this is the reception area?
Yes. And from here, there's a couple ways you can come in. This goes to our laboratory, but when you're coming in for a medical appointment, you would come this way. We have 3 medical exam rooms. Each of them have a bed, and anything that you would need for a medical visit, like physicals, pap smears, well child visits, those types of things. In case there are any students who don't speak English fluently, that's available. If a student needed an EKG, we have those available. On this side, we have the provider room, which is where most of the preparation is done. Okay. And so, as I was saying, because we're in the midst of a pandemic, we have telehealth services available. Not only are the students able to schedule an appointment, but they can be seen as a walk-in appointment, or if they prefer, from the comfort of their own home. And now this way is very advantageous for any student who is currently breastfeeding. We offer a lactation room, which is very comfortable and clean for any breastfeeding students. And then this way is where we have our other services available, such as behavioral health and dental services. We have a phenomenal LCSW. Her name is Tori, and then this is Alfonso, our director. You can see the treatment room is super spacious. It's super welcoming. This is Tori. She's our specialist. It's absolutely amazing. We're very lucky to have her. And then on the other side is our dental services that we are actually having a grand opening next month. We're primarily providing preventative services such as teeth cleanings and some simple tooth fillings. And then this way you'll see we have several telehealth offices for additional remote services. These offices are available to not only Delta students but also to CMC faculty, so it's very versatile. And this is where my office lives. It is currently being used by one of the programs. And then back here is where we have our conference room, where we will have, hopefully in future, classes on health education or perhaps by one of our registered dietitians about nutrition and etc. And this is our employee lounge, and that is the end of the tour. Yeah.
Tell us again, April, what's the address of the new health center?
Yes, so you can find us on the San Joaquin Delta College, which is located at 5151 Pacific Avenue in the Locke building on the first floor. And then our phone number, if you would like to schedule an appointment or if you have questions, is 209-636-5000. And if you forget that, just go ahead and go to our website at communitymedicalcenters.org. You can go to the locations tab and you'll find the Delta College website there along with additional information about our site.
Congratulations. We're so excited to have you.